Hello. In 3D printing, there are two parts. The first one is creating your own design, and the second one is actual printing. Let's see the step first. You have to create your own 3D model or you can download from the internet. You can create your design in softwares like AutoCAD, Fusion 360, or Tinkercad, or you can download the templates from the internet. Let's use it. You can search on internet free 3D design for 3D printing. Here you will get many websites from where you can create your 3D models for our actual printing. Let's use Tinkercad. After designing this, you can export your file. There are three options. You can export either in .obj or in the .stl file. Let's export it in .stl. Save your file. Now, as you have downloaded or created your 3D model, now you have to use the software of our 3D printer, which is FlashPrint. We are in our department, we have a 3D printer of this company, that is Flashforge. The software we have to use for this is FlashPrint. You can download this software from here and install it. This is the software for our FlashPrint, and by using this we are going to create a final file which we will import in our actual printer for the printing. First of all, we get an option to choose our printer. Our printer was Flashforge Guider 2. Then you can load the file. This is our file. As we have loaded the file, you can start slicing. The settings you can change as per your own, or you can keep it as it is. Platform temperature can be increased. You can select the material from here. We are using PLA material. Now start slicing. You can click on a slice preview to see how your design will be. These are the G codes and M codes that you might have studied in the additive manufacturing of mechanical engineering. Now you can download your file to the local. Now this is the final file which is ready for the printing. The extension is .gx file. Now this is the file which you have to take in the pen drive and insert the pen drive into the printer, 3D printer, to print. So here we have finished the designing part. In summary, first of all, you have to create a 3D model with .obj or .stl file, then use the printer software to convert this into .gx file and to make necessary changes to make it fit for the printing. Now, we are going to the final part, that is how to use a 3D printer. So today we are going to learn how to use a 3D printer. First of all, connect the wire, give a power connection. On the button. This is the screen, and from where you can use the various features. In the first part, we have created the design, and we got our design in this pen drive. With the use of STL or GX file, we are going to print. So first of all, we have to go on tools, choose the filament. This is the filament we have, and we have to load the filament. So click on load. So firstly it will heat up, and after that we are going to put the filament into the extruder. So now we have to put the filament into this, and you will feel that there is a slightly push from the extruder. It will melt up soon. Then we have our .stl or .gx file in this pen drive. Insert the pen drive. Go to build. This is our pen drive, and this is our file, that is .gx. Choose the file which you want to print. Then click on build. Print complete. Deliver. Press. हाँ छोड़